Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learning Fundamentals by Ankit Shukla. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to start a learning journey about Microsoft 365. In today's session, we will learn what is Microsoft 365, how it works, how it operates, what is the working model, and we will sign up for a trial of Microsoft 365 to get a feel and touch base with it. So without wasting any time, let's start today's session on the fundamentals of Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365 is a subscription-based service from Microsoft that provides access to a range of productivity tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, along with cloud storage through OneDrive, communication tools like Teams, and messaging platforms like Microsoft Exchange. It's designed to help people and businesses work more effectively, collaborate easily, and stay secure, all while being accessible from multiple devices like computers, tablets, and smartphones. Let's understand that in simple terms, just like Netflix has different plans to suit different needs, or Hotstar has different offerings for different types of customers, they may be individuals or businesses. Microsoft has different service offerings, requirement are basis an organization's needs, budgets, or requirements. It's like a parking lot wherein you pay as per the size of your vehicle or basis how much space your vehicle will need or what all security and safety measures you need for your car. It's like the higher choices you have, the higher requirements you have as per your business needs, the higher you pay. To summarize, Microsoft 365 is a subscription-based suite of productivity tools, cloud services, and software applications developed by Microsoft. It is designed to help individuals, businesses, and organizations work more effectively, collaborate more effectively, and securely manage their digital environments. Microsoft 365 includes a variety of applications and services that can be accessed from multiple devices, including PCs, Macintosh, smartphones, and tablets. Let's move on to understand how we can sign up for Microsoft 365 services. In this session today, I'm going to guide you through the process of signing up for a Microsoft 365 free trial step by step. Whether you're new to Microsoft 365 or just looking to explore its features, this trial gives you full access to an for an entire month, completely free. There are different steps of signing up for Microsoft 365 trial. They are divided into four phases. First is we visit the Microsoft 365 trial page. We click on the 1 month trial option, sign in with our personal Microsoft account or create a new Microsoft account. Then we enter our payment information. You can always cancel your subscription before your trial ends to avoid any charges. And then we'll download and install the applications on our devices. So let's talk about the first step, which needs us to visit the web page from where we can sign in for Microsoft 365. I've added the web page over here. I'll share that in the description of this session as well. So if you open, and as you can see this diagram, this is the page you will see. This is basis my geographic location, so that is India. You'll see the prices in INR, that is International Rupee. Wherever you are, whatever geography you are watching this video today or in future, you'll probably see the prices fluctuating, even if it is in India or as per your country's currency, or if you're in US, it will be in US dollars. If you're in UK, it will be in Great Britain pound, right? Next is to sign in. So if you already have a Microsoft 365 business account, you can choose to log in, or because for this activity we are planning to create a new Microsoft 365 account, right? So do note that whenever we are going to whatever we are going to cover in this today's session or article, it's about Microsoft 365 business or enterprise subscriptions only. This is not the same as Microsoft 365 family accounts or subscriptions. Hence, please do not be confused between the two. Both are completely different in terms of usage, needs, features, administration, and billing as well. After clicking on the trial button, you will be prompted to sign in with a Microsoft 365 account. If you already have one, great. You can enter that email and password and you can log in. But for this activity, because we are signing up, so we will create one very easily. By selecting create one, there is an option over there. We enter the email address, create a password, and then we follow the prompt to set up the account. This account will be our key, or it is the first admin account to access all the Microsoft 365 services. So once we click on the trial option, this is the option that we see, try free for 1 month, as you can see in this diagram. For this reference, I have chosen Microsoft 365 with no Teams option. Earlier, approximately 6 months back, at the time of shooting this session, Microsoft Teams was a bundle package within the Microsoft 365 suite, be it business or enterprise subscription. However, it is now a separate subscription altogether. You have to buy Microsoft Teams separately. For this session, we have taken Microsoft 365 E3 as an example for a trial. E5s, unfortunately, they are no more available for trial purposes. Once we select the trial option on this page, we'll enter the email. As you can see in this page, this will be our personal email, so we can be easily verify we have a valid personal account that can be used to validate or verify the sign up process for Microsoft 365 business subscription. This email can be your personal email, like your Google accounts, like Gmail, Outlook, Live, Hotmail, Yahoo, Rediff, or whatever personal emails that you're using in your part of world. Then we select next. Then we click on setup account over here, and then on the next page we enter details like our name, phone number, name, company size, region, country of the company where it will be signed up on the 365. On the next page, we need to verify our phone number for sign up process. You can choose to verify via text or call option. Then you can select send verification code after entering your phone number. As soon as you select send verification code, Microsoft will send you a code via your desired selected mode, which was text or call in the previous option. Then you enter the code that you received in the highlighted section, and then you select verify. Once you've verified your phone number, you enter a username. This is the first person in the company who will be signed up, and also it will be the company administrator or the global administrator. This will be the first ever person in your Microsoft 365 organization. We will talk about the admin roles, global admins and other admins, and the other admin permissions which are there in Microsoft 365 through a separate session altogether. Then you enter your domain name over here. This domain name need not match your exact company name, but can be same or pretty similar to your custom domain name. What is a custom domain name? A domain that you purchase from a domain registrar reflecting your company name, or like a website registration like google.com or microsoft.com. These are company registration and company domains. Similarly, you can have your own custom domains as well. We will talk about the custom domains in a future session. Then you enter your password over here, right? Keep this password very safe and secure. As I said, this is the first person, also the global admin of the company, so you will need this password all the time till the time you've set up your lab or a production environment, or when you set your company for 365. Do not share this password. This is the global admin account. Then you have entered the username, you've entered the domain name, you entered the password, right? Do make sure that you note this username properly and remember the password, because once you sign up, when the sign up process is successful, you'll probably be asked to log in. That is where you have to enter this username and password. This username would be username that you choose at domain that you choose for sign up to 365.onmicrosoft.com, and then your password. This could be something like a domain, like let's say you choose ABC as the domain name for sign up to 365, right? This domain abc.onmicrosoft.com is the initial or the default domain name when you sign up for 365 services. Once all details are entered, just select next. On the next page, we have the payment option. You need to keep your credit card or debit card handy for sign up process. On this page, you select the payment option. You will also see on this page that you have to validate the license subscription that you had selected in the previous phase. It may be a trial or it may be a paid. and then select payment method. On this page, you enter your payment information and other details for Microsoft 360 for Microsoft to validate your billing details. There will be a nominal charge of 2 rupees, which is debited from your debit or credit card, which is refunded most of the times within 48 to 72 hours. This 2 rupees charge is based in India. I am not familiar with the charges that are there in other countries, but eventually they are refunded. This is just a verification process that you are a human, you hold some credit or debit information with you while signing up for 365 services. Once all the details have been entered, click on save. Now in this page, if Microsoft is able to validate the address that you specified in the billing information like 10 seconds back, the payment will go through, or else it will ask you to edit or select or give you the option like use this address option, as you can see over here. Do this and it will take you to the next step. Simple as that. Next comes the review and confirmation of your subscription page. Now before you finalize your trial, Microsoft will show you a summary of what you're signing up for. Take a moment to review the details, including the trial duration and the services included. You'll have access to the premium versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more. Uh, if everything looks good to you, click on the start your free trial button. By doing this, you'll agree to Microsoft's terms and conditions. So be sure to check those out if you have not already. Once payment is completed, the sign up process is successful. You'll see this home page of Microsoft 365 with an option to download Microsoft 365. The page will say, congratulations, you have successfully signed up for Microsoft 365 free trial. Now it's time to get the apps onto your devices. Now for Microsoft 365 desktop applications, Microsoft will guide you to download on the page, on the home page itself. Here you'll see the options to download the Office apps to your PC, Mac, or mobile devices. Click on the appropriate link for your device and the download should begin automatically. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. It's like installing any other app that you do. Depending on your internet speed and computer, this may take a few minutes. Once this Office 365, or you can say Microsoft 365 applications are installed, or should I say, even before that, only install the Microsoft 365 apps if you don't have it already on your PC. If you already have it, do not upgrade it, since because for this session it's just a trial and not paid. The subscription will eventually expire in 30 days, and so is your Microsoft 365 subscription. So after 30 days, if you upgrade your existing Office app that you have, you won't be probably able to roll back. Or if you know how to roll it back, that's great. But in case you don't have the keys to the existing version of Office that's already installed on your PC, I would recommend not to install it while performing the lab session or when you're watching this session or this video. All right, that's a wrap up to our introduction to Microsoft 365 and how to get started with your own account. I hope this walkthrough made it easier for you to sign up and start exploring all the tools Microsoft 365 has to offer. Um, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more IT learning content. And also let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there is anything specific you would like to see next. Thanks for watching. This is Ankit Chokla signing off. Have a great day ahead, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.